Everyone was panicking. Everyone was like, "Oh, I don't know, is it going to snowman? It's not looking good." Well, I met a little old lady, and she said, "You're in Canada. It's cold. You're up the top of a mountain. Don't worry, it will snow." And to be fair to her, she's bang on. I think it's now snowing pretty much on and off or constant for the next like 5-6 days. It is meant to open. Today is Sunday. It is meant to open on Thursday. So hopefully enough falls. We just keep getting dumped on forever, and they can open on time. We are moving all of our stuff to to our staff accommodation. I believe I'm getting in there a day early. Well, it's not even going to be a day early, it's like 12 hours early, but yeah, I got an email saying that I can move in. Actually, I got an email saying I could move in yesterday. But yeah, they're letting me in today, so that means I should be able to scope it out, check out what's good. I'm going to be staying with Tomo again. Ben is confirmed in our apartment, so yeah, we'll just see what it looks like, see what happens, and see how hard or difficult it is to get to the town, because that is my issue. Like, once the resort opens, I'm pretty sure I can like snowboard down to the lift and then take the lift up. But if we're not open and the lift's not running, then I don't know how I get up or get to the town, sorry. But I guess we'll see. But yeah, other than that, just snow, baby. Keep on snowing. Well, I'm not quite sure how this happens, but I'm here doing this, and this donut's still here doing that. He's having a great time, ain't you, Jack?
Yes, very good.
He's playing Battle Royale. Where's your highest position you've come? Highest position you've come? Don't even fucking, he's just killing people for fun. Last. Well, that's not good. Well, Raz, we've got introduction to sliding here. If anybody wants to go sliding, you can follow along.
Oh, you can come get in my
It's golf cart. What the fuck?
Did you know you could get in these?
No. Just driving the golf cart around.
And tooting the horn. That's why I'm
That's
stuck. That's a tree.
I let you drive me to Kelowna and you just drove a golf cart into a tree.
Well, again, fucking, where are they? Where are you?
Everyone around you is dying and now you are dead.
Oh, okay, well. Rage quit.
This is Jack playing Battlefield.
Oh, I deaded.
He's deaded.
Hold on, this is also my first game. Okay, I like that it swears now in the game.
So people can drag you and heal you.
Yeah, but it's going, I'm fucking hit!
Yeah. So if you find someone on the floor, even if you're not a medic, you can pick them up and drag them away?
Yeah, I've seen. What? Oh, calling you AV.
Here they go, yeah, pick them up. Go up, Jim. Drag him, there you go, and then just drag him into safety and heal him. And fucking stab him. There you go.
I know, sensitivity's a bit low, but I can't be asked. Oh shit. Get away from that thing.
Little EOD bot. So it shows you who's close to you. So if you press A, if you start scanning, you see 865, so he's probably going to res you. Ah, he's fucked off now.
Oh. Ben's messaging me. See someone go behind. Come
There's
out.
A wall. There's a big gun to your right.
No, but I want to snipe him. He's behind there. Told you. Double kill. Fucking told you there was someone there.
He's got a cheeky McDouble.
Oh, that fucked. How do I change class?
So when you...
Oh, right, scrap that. Someone revived me.
So the good news is I am now allowed to go to my staff com, so I can go there a little bit early, which is handy. The bad news is I've sort of been living out of a suitcase because I didn't really want to unpack everything, and now I have to try and sort of re-smudge it back together. And I've got more stuff than when I started because I now have skis and boots and ugh. But the result, we'll pack now, and then tomorrow we'll move. Jack will help, and he'll bring a car, and hopefully everything will be good. So yeah, hopefully I can show you around my staff accommodation tomorrow. Hopefully it's sick. Hopefully you have some sort of hot tub and or a bath, and some internet would be nice, and a TV would round it off very nicely. Oh yeah. What do you think, Jack?
Better than my accommodation. Put it that way.
I mean, it's spacious. We've got like an airlock there for your skis and stuff. Massive kitchen fridge area. And then me and Tomo are just in here. Although I don't know which bed I'm going to take yet. I'll have to have a little look. So I was actually like really worried about the people we're going to be staying with. And like if they're instructors, if they're not instructors, what time they're getting up. And all that jazz. But to be fair, we had like a good night out yesterday. And they all seem pretty chill. So should be good.